Good morning. It's Thursday, September 7th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Not a lot going on this morning. We do have some light reflectivity stretching from Augusta to Swainsboro, showing just a few light sprinkles here and there. A lot of that not reaching the ground, but starting out with some cloud cover, mainly over southeast Georgia this morning. As we check out temperatures across the state, you can kind of see where those clouds are with the little lower temperatures, as I mentioned, in southeast Georgia compared to some warmer temperatures surrounding it. So Statesboro is at 72, Vidalia 73, and then we go down to Valdosta, 79, Brunswick at 79, so a little bit more sunshine there in that part of the state as they get started. It's 75 in Atlanta, Columbus checking in at 73. Let's take a look at our severe weather outlook. We'll look at today because we do have a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk that covers Athens, Macon, Albany, over to Statesboro, and right to Savannah, Augusta in there as well, and Blakely and Camilla. And so that's as a result of this frontal boundary pushing through. It's going to stay pretty quiet through the day today. It's there, but we just don't have a lot of instability in the atmosphere as we get started this morning. But that's going to change later this afternoon and this evening. So a few of those storms could go strong to severe. So we'll watch out for that. Just a general thunderstorm risk over the next couple of days as we head into the weekend. So our severe weather outlook mainly for today. Here's our outlook for the tropics. We have Hurricane Lee out there in the middle of the Atlantic continuing to move our direction. The red X to the east of that will possibly be another named storm over the next 48 hours. That one is expected to move toward the north and not be an impact to us at all. Lee is going to scare us a little bit, turn into a major hurricane by early Friday morning, and just continue making according to this line, it looks like it's heading right toward Jacksonville or St. Augustine, but all of the major forecast model ensembles continue to say that by Thursday of next week, this storm will move to the north, will shift that northeast movement and go between North Carolina and Bermuda, so should be really not a big threat to the southeast. By the end of next week, could be producing some heavy rainfall, tropical storm or hurricane conditions up in the northeast United States, up from Boston up to Maine and the eastern Canadian Maritime. So this could be an impact, even though it looks like for us, probably not going to be, but probably will be for the northeast United States. But still a ways to go. We have to watch out for that. Just the same as I don't look at long-range models forecasting storms, I don't put 100% faith in saying it's not going to happen either, if that makes any sense. So the steering currents could change. We could see some changes, but still the models have been holding very firm for the last few days that this storm is going to move to the northeast and not have an impact on us. All right, so we'll keep watching it. Enough about that. Let's take a look at our modeling for today. Things are pretty quiet this morning. Head to the late morning hours, still fairly quiet as well. May see a shower or two pop up over the mountains, just getting enough lift from the mountains to get those things going a little bit earlier. And then we head toward 2 o'clock. Now we're starting to see a little action. Remember, that cold front is draped across the state of Georgia. It's there. It would love to rain, but we just don't have the instability until about 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. Then we see those thunderstorms pop up. Again, a few could be strong to severe from Augusta stretching down to around Quitman, and then we head into 8 o'clock this evening. The main line pushing through Statesboro down to Valdosta, and then a secondary system popping out to the west, Milledgeville, down to Cordele, into Albany, and then moving through the overnight hours, still looking at those showers and thunderstorms, mainly for southeast Georgia. Low pressure, that's going to give plenty of rising air for tomorrow morning, so we could start out with some rain in Savannah and into Bryan County. And then tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, look at those showers and thunderstorms. I think our main threat for any disruption of high school football will be in South Georgia and along the Georgia coastline. We're just going to see some clouds, and that humidity will be fairly high again as we roll through Friday night. And then on Saturday, that unsettled atmosphere is still going to be the name of the game. So just expect scattered showers and thunderstorms around as we move through the day. Not going to be a big washout during the day on Saturday, but there's that rain chance really increasing as we head into Saturday evening. Same on Sunday. The map's going to look just about the same with just those isolated showers throughout the day and then the rain chance increasing in the late afternoon and into the evening hours. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.